Why won't this open? What is happening? Well, no luck so far. We are going to drill the dimple out. Well, it looks like we've got another fun project to do. It's on my 2016 Yukon XL Denali. Unfortunately, we have a little item stuck in the lift gate. So this power lift gate, I try to open it. You can hear the actuator try to open the latch. You see the lights flash and nothing. Now I can get the glass to open up just fine. So not a problem there, but I think that basically this little piece right here is just jamming things. Please remember to always consult your user's manual. Okay, well, that didn't work. So we're just gonna go ahead and climb in through this direction. And you can see the last little trash can that we've got in here. And it is just jammed in there good. So that is not coming out of there. You can pop off that little panel. Okay, and I see that there's a little round hole in there. You can see the lever down there, and that round hole. So we're going to try shoving a screwdriver in there and see what that does for us. Just the bar, because I understand there's a square hole in here. Well, we're sitting here in the back still, and it is not going very well. Notice that there is a dimple, so we're going to go ahead and drill that out with a 3/8 bit. Okay, so the indentation is right here. It's probably kind of tough to see that. It doesn't help with this raised section that you can put tow straps and jumper cables and everything, because as you can see, that's right lined up with that. So let's go ahead and get that drilled out. In there. Aha! Got it. Okay, so let's take a look and see what it is. So as you can see, finally got to release. There's the garbage bag that I'm quite certain is our culprit. And let's go out here and take a look at it. So I had to drill out the hole a little bit bigger. I was down a little bit too low, and a lot of that was because of the angle of this being lifted up. So let's go outside and take a look at it. Yeah, you can see I brought plenty of tools out here, and it ultimately came down to the drill and a long flat screwdriver. So drilled that hole in there, and as you can see, initially, because of this raised section back here where you can store all your stuff, it went down a little bit too low. I was able to put the drill back in there and make a nice little oval, take it up a little bit higher, and I was able to get in there and get that to open. Let me see if we can see in here. Let's go ahead and put this back in place. Snaps on very easily, and I just have a nice little hole there for future unlocking. But shouldn't be too difficult to replace that if I wanted to.